Welcome back to Brazen Brits. I'm Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And today we're talking about travel day challenges. Now this is part of our collaboration, so after you've watched this, make sure you go and check out all the channels below. Again, they all have different rigs, so they all have different opinions, and especially with travel day challenges, there's going to be, they might have fifth wheels, or I don't think we have a Class A, but they have different rigs, so yes. I'm interested in their challenges. Now, I know my first one straight away. Shall I kick it off?
Let's roll our intro first.
Oh, let's roll the intro.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder.
Okay, now can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Okay, right, so my first travel day challenge is I can't not get greasy and dirty.
Even wearing gloves.
For years I've had this problem. Yeah, I can wear gloves and I just getting grease off the hitch, or I'll rub against it and I'll get it on my shorts or on my legs or on my arms. So and the problem is, normally when we've done all that, I hitch it up after I've disconnected everything, so we don't have the water connected. Yes, we do have water in the freshwater tank, so I can go in and wash my hands, but it's everywhere.
So we buy wipes, but they go dry after a while.
Yeah, so we do have the wipes in the truck so that afterwards I can do that, but I don't know, I need an apron or something, or I need to put like a mechanic's suit on every time I hitch up. Yeah, hazmat suit, exactly. So anyway, so that's my challenge. It's just, I'm just really bad at getting dirty when hitching up.
Yes, well, one of the biggest travel day challenges that I think everyone has is weather. The rain. It is miserable packing up in the rain and then having to sit in the truck for goodness knows how long. That's one of the biggest ones, I would say. Probably across the board.
The worst time for us is when we left Little Rock.
Yeah,
and we had an 8-hour drive day, and it stormed all morning. We put it off and put it off and put it off, and as long as we could. And then to the point where you went and even got McDonald's to wait for us to have breakfast to wait, which we were going to get on the way. And then we sat in the truck wet all day.
That was miserable.
It was horrible. So yeah, we some people don't mind it. It's not too bad. But for us, rain on the travel day morning is the worst thing possible. So our third moving day challenge is right here. And this is our Ring doorbell. Now this is magnetic. We just have a magnetic strip on the slide here, and we have a magnetic strip on the back, and this basically acts as a security camera, or if we're out of the rig and someone's trying to knock on the door, they can press the Ring doorbell, it'll come through to our phone. So there's various reasons. It's nice at night. We don't have very good visibility out here, so it's nice at night. If there's noise going on, we can just check our camera without actually coming out. Anyway, we love the Ring doorbell camera. The challenge is, I'm not blaming anyone in particular, but every time Natalie puts a slide in, she forgets to take the Ring doorbell and it drops down, and if it's concrete then it smashes. Now if it's on a grassy site, that's fine. More often than not we're on a pad, and this is the second Ring doorbell that we've had, because the first one we managed to smash it a lot and it got rain in it. So it sounds really stupid, but that is a really really annoying challenge for us. We have a tape over the button to actually close the slide to remind us that if the tape is on there, we need to get the camera. That's been working so far with this new one that we have, but honestly, this is a real challenge. All right, well, I think that's our 3 things. I think if you asked us this 2 years ago, we would have a lot more, but we seem to have streamlined everything pretty much, and these are the only 3 real irritations that still stand. But anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out all the channels below, because they're going to have their own moving day challenges. Very excited to check out and see what they are, especially for the fifth wheelers.
Yeah.
Because I feel like they're way easier, especially with the self-leveling and stuff.
True, yeah.
So anyway, I'm interested in theirs, and they never get dirty. Rain might be one, but anyway, go and check out the channels below. We're going to put a playlist up here so that you can go and check that. It's nice and easy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you haven't already, and
the thanks button.
And the join button, the thanks button, and then the join button if you'd like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits.
Yeah.
All right, we will see you at the weekend for our penultimate Route 66 series video.
Already? Oh, no.
Afraid so.
Oh, I'm sad.
Yeah. And then hopefully we'll see you again next month for another collaboration.
Yeah.
Thanks everyone below. Bye.